Hello, Double O crew. Welcome to Obsession Outdoors. Today, I'm going back down to the gunpowder for vengeance. Those pesky pickerels, they ruined my day last time. Well, I can't say they ruined my day because I love catching pickerel. I absolutely love pickerel. But again, like I said in the last video, when you're trying to target a specific thing and they keep snapping you off, it gets kind of irritating. So today, I said screw the minnows. Crappie aren't really in here super heavy anyway until the next rain. So I know from that underwater footage there's a ton of white perch. So what I did, I got a tiny little double rig set up under a split shot. I got grass shrimp, so hopefully the pickerel won't take those and I'll be able to actually target some panfish. There we go, fish on. That was quick. All right, white perch are here, guys. I'm not keeping any today, but that was a good little eater size. I was snagged up and then caught a yellow perch. Broke my other hook off. That's cool. I'll just use one rig. See ya. Go, another one. Well guys, I can tell you already the action is much faster than it was with minnows. Looks like grass shrimp was the way to go. See ya. So where I just pulled those couple fish from was that side of the fast water. This side is much bigger. So logically, there should be more fish over here. Let's switch up and try a shad dart because there's a mess of fish in here. I'm gonna try a few more casts. And then I'm gonna try one more theory. I think maybe because I keep coming in the evening or midday, that people are coming earlier in the morning, catching the crappie because a lot of them come in overnight. So they probably come in, catch them all out of the hole, and then, you know, there's only so many there each day. So I'm gonna try that one last theory, get here real early in the morning, try to catch some crappie. If that doesn't work, then I'm gonna wait till the next heavy rain because that's the only other thing I can think of that will put them in here. So yeah, let's try to catch a shad and then get out of here. There we go, finally. Pulling drag. Unfortunately, I don't have a... Oh no, he's snagged in the back. I didn't even... That's a nice hickory though. See if I can actually land this fish. That's a nice shad. Unfortunately, he's snagged. I thought he hit. This will be it for me today. I'm gonna head on out of here, try some bass fishing. Another video, obviously. See if I can land this guy. Man, that's a pretty hickory. What a tank. Whew. I'm gonna have to use this net here. Every time I get him close, he wants to go back under. Come on, come on, come on. I have no control when you snag him like that. Can't get his head out of the water, so I can't angle him toward the net. Yes, no! Almost had him. I love it, they're like tarpon. Got him. Whew! That's actually an American shad. He doesn't have those lines. Heck yes, I'll take it, snagged or not. Let's get a release. get back out here for crappie tomorrow morning. Mind if I get up in here to your right?
No, you're good. It's called a walleye.
Did you?
Little 18-incher.
A walleye in here.
First time I ever caught one out of here.
That's crazy. I can't even imagine where it would have came from.
Right. That's what I was thinking. I mean,
Been doing good on the crappie, I guess?
oh yeah.
That's great. Yeah, I keep coming in the evening, and I think, you know, they come in waves overnight. And by the time the evening comes, they're all fished out already, so I haven't been catching many. But my theory of them being here in the morning, I think, is paying off already. Just by watching you. Cast after cast, jeez. There we go. Be a crappie. Be a crappie.
Yeah.
Yes.
No? Oh
Yeah, it is.
You did a big yellow person.
That's what I came for. One down, 14 to go. There you go. That's a nice one. Nice one.
Yeah, I got my 15 out here. Actually, I must have caught about 25, 26 of them. I do duck hunting videos and shit. So.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I do hunting, fishing, herping. That feels like a perch.
Yeah, it's an elk perch. It looks like a decent one.
Got those head shakes. That should be a keeper.
Yeah.
First keeper of the season. Yes. That's definitely a keeper. Beautiful. There we go. This way. Yes. Whoa. Put the power hook set on that one. There we go.
Got some weight there.
Yeah, that's a nicer one for sure. Beautiful. I always wonder where all these crappie go after they spawn in here. It's not like you can just go out on the gunpowder and find a spot with a bunch of crappie. At least I never could anyway. So where the heck are they? This is about as solid action as it gets in here. Pretty much every cast. It's ridiculous to think about how many crappie are in this one little spot.
I know.
Like it's like endless.
Yeah, you can literally just keep catching them. It's like I try to throw the little ones back. But...
Yeah. I generally do too. After I have a day like this and fill up, then I'll come back and I'll be more picky. Or if I see a big female with eggs or something. Like I said, I'm running low on fish, so. This one's actually a little small.
Think they get pushed down from this end with the spillway or what?
No, they're coming up from the river.
Yeah, they're coming up.
Heavy.
Probably came down.
Yeah, probably from Loch Raven. But heavy rains will push them all up in here, and then overnight, like I said, like small waves of them. That's why if you come in the evening, for the most part, you don't catch as much.
Right.
Or at least I haven't been anyway.
Yeah, that's what my buddy.
They're all fished out. There we go. It's a nice one. Let's go. Yes. I wait all year for this.
I hear you. My trophy walleye
Nice.
up
Dang. That's a beast.
there. That was 30 and a quarter.
Sheesh.
Our day 2 catch total.
Whoa.
Man, they were
That's
biting like
crazy.
crazy up there.
That was Lake Erie?
Huh?
Lake Erie, you said?
Yeah,
I can't believe there's nobody else down here.
Yeah, I was like, man, it's Friday. Hopefully I get down. I was gonna come earlier. Forecast there tomorrow.
Hey, this overcast is the best time to fish, though. Oh, good fish to end the day on. That's a nice one. No point in it. Yeah, early bird gets the worm. We got in here and got the majority out. That's why I said, that's why when you come here in the evening, there's,
everything's gone.
yeah. People come in the morning, catch them all, and then gotta wait till the next morning for the next wave to get in. Unless you have a big heavy rain that puts a ton of them in here. Last shiner. Got a herring.
We've got them in there.
Beast yellow perch. That's a tank.
Wow. Nice.
What a last fish for the day.
Nice.
Get in here. All right. Okay guys, heck of a morning out here. Got it figured out. Until next time, get out there, enjoy the outdoors. Peace.